In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PayPal on ACBuy. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to create an ACBuy account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can go ahead, click on that and create your account using my link. Now, after in here, you want to hover over your account at the very top right and you want to click on top up next to my balance. After you do that, here you're going to see your balance. My balance is currently $0, as you can see, and you want to click on top up over here, select your amount. So I'm going to do 100, for example, and then I'm going to press confirm. And then here, as you can see, you have the option to pay with a few different things. Now, if PayPal for you is not on the list, because sometimes, such as in my case, PayPal is not going to be over here. If that happens to you, what you should do is basically you have to message support. The way you do this is over here at the very right, you can see this kind of support icon. Simply click on that over here and then basically talk to them. So go ahead, as you can see over here, I wanted to withdraw something, but you just start a chat and you go ahead, create a chat and tell them that you would like to basically top up using PayPal. And what they'll do is they will in some time send you their PayPal email as well as the instructions in order to top up your balance. In case they don't answer to this, you can go ahead and basically message them at support@acbuy.com, which is this email over here, and then they'll go ahead and help you out, and hopefully you'll be able to sort this out in no time. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.